Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get the Atlantic Giant Pumpkin Seed in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Full Harvest Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, the Atlantic Giant Pumpkin is one of the seeds from the Full Harvest world. And if you want to use the normal method, you just need to go to the seed shop and then you're going to wait for it to spawn. And it's pretty difficult because this Atlantic Giant Pumpkin is a legendary seed, and maybe you need to wait for a long time to purchase this Atlantic Giant Pumpkin. But don't worry guys, I'm gonna give you a method that you can try to get the seed, and I highly recommend you to have this pet if you want to get the Atlantic Giant Pumpkin. Okay, this pet, Fox. As you can see, it can sneak out at night to steal a seed from other players and bring it back to you. And basically, this fox can steal seeds from the other players' inventory. So if they have this Atlantic Giant Pumpkin seed in their inventory, you have a chance to steal the seed using your fox. And for your information, guys, I got the Atlantic Giant Pumpkin, this one, only by stealing. Okay, and I only have one fox in my garden. So if you're lucky, maybe you can get more, and maybe you can get another seeds, another valuable seed. And okay, guys, that's the easiest method for me to get the Atlantic Giant Pumpkin Seed in Grey Garden 2 game of Roblox Full Harvest World. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!